welcome to Maths with Ish. Now let's look at the solution to our yesterday's question, okay? Now we are asked to find PSR, and PSR is this marked angle. Now we know that there is an angle at the center, so what will come to your mind will be that the theorem that says that the angle at the center is 2 times the angle at the circumference. But bear it in mind that this theorem will only work when the angles are being subtended by the same arc. So let's check for the arc that subtends angle 150. So if I follow this angle that makes up 150, I trace it down, discover that this minor arc here, PR, is subtending angle 150. And you can see that 150 is within the enclosure of this arc, okay? It's within the enclosure. Now let's check the arc that is subtending this marked angle that we are looking for. So if you look at this marked angle, if you follow these two lines that makes up this marked angle, it falls within this major arc. It is within the enclosure of this major arc. Can you see that? So while the minor arc is subtending this angle at the center, the major arc is subtending this angle at the circumference, which means that the theorem cannot hold. So for those of you who say that, okay, that here will become half of this, you say 2 divided 150 and you call here 75, the answer you got is wrong. It can't be 75 because the two are being subtended by different arcs, okay? So since we have known that it is the major arc that subtends this angle at the circumference, let's find the angle that this major arc subtends at the center, and that is this angle. You can see this angle is also within the enclosure of this major arc. It's within the enclosure. So how do we get this angle? By saying 360 minus 150, okay? And that gives us 210. So this whole place is 210. Remember, we are doing 360 minus 150 because this is an angle at a point, a full rotation, okay? So since here is 210, therefore this angle at the circumference will be half of it. This is when the theorem now applies, okay? That says the angle at the center is twice the one on the circumference. So if we divide 210 by 2, that gives us what? That gives us 105. So this angle, this marked angle here is 105. I hope you've gained value. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share this video, and follow our page.